Today I'm going to be reviewing Practical Survival's gravity water filtration system. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me. This is simple to use. We're going to take a look in the box. This can all be done in 60 seconds, literally filling up the dirty water bag with water, hang it on a tree, then hook up the filtration straw that they have here and let gravity pour it into the clean water bag. Really great idea. I've reviewed a few of their items, including their survival straws. Let's take a look and see what we got inside. All right, so here we go. Everything in the bag that you need. Almost 10 years of filtration here, 1,800 gallons of water, and you can use it. It doesn't expire. You know when you can't use it anymore? Literally no water will come through. So that's how you know if you have to replace it. But there's going to be plenty for a family in an emergency situation. It filters 99.99% bacteria down to 0.1 micron. But just so you can kind of see all the different parts that you've got, this is going to be your clean water bottle. Everything folds up really nicely. This is for your dirty water. So you just go out there and you fill it into here. And then what you're going to do, this is their survival straw. And you can actually buy these separately just to have with you. And you can actually drink directly from these or even add a water bottle to the other end to get these while you're on the go. This gets 4.8 stars, almost 200 reviews. And last month, November of 2025, over 400 plus of this kit were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.